Hello there. So I'm starting with another set of colours now. This time I'm doing the purples, and I'm going to try a technique that I have already seen on one of the internet channels. I'm sorry, off the top of my head I can't remember which one, but I'm just going to take a moment now to put it on screen for you, and I'm going to put the link to the video clip in my description. So I've covered my canvas with some black, lamp black Reno art paint. I think I've probably done it thinner than I was supposed to, but we'll see how it goes. And my colours that I'm using today are violet, purple, darker purple, because they're my mixes. They're all basically mixed except the violet and the silver, which is light silver and my pouring medium. And those are the colours that I'm going to be using today. And I have got a piece of what would I call it, a plastic can. I'll show you a clip very quickly now of this in its original form. Okay, so I have cut it in half and removed its label, and of course drunk their contents. And so the piece that I had to open for the can part of it, I have removed, and the other end, of course, I am keeping as a bottle bottom, so I can put this to two uses. And I'm going to pop this into the middle of the canvas, turn it round a little. Okay, and now I am going to put into a plastic cup the colours that I want to use in there, and then tip them into it. Okay, give it a bit of a shake around and tip it straight into here. Got a few bubbles, never mind. And now I'm just going to swirl it round and round on the canvas to get rid of all the colour from the centrepiece. I probably did that a little quicker than I was supposed to, but oh my goodness, it's pretty. There is no silicone or dimethicone added to this, but I will get some cells from the silver, from the metallic. And now I'm going to just pop my gloves on and do some tilting. I just removed my gloves because I was starting to get paint go everywhere. I'm going to leave it like that. Actually, before I do anything else, I might just drop a little bit more black on the edge there because it's starting to thin out. I think it was just a little bit too thin. And in tilting, I've moved quite a bit of the black away from the edge. I just want to add that back to it again so that it's all evenly coated. But I'm not going to tilt it any further. I quite like just that single little black corner there. There's less black in the centre than I had hoped for. Maybe if I stretched it out a little further I'd get more of it, but right now I'm happy with what I see. The purples are all well blended. It's another method for me to do a pour, a new one that I haven't tried before, and that certainly looks really, really pretty. Okay, well, that's that one done. I have several more ideas in my head for what I want to use the purples for. Of course, I'll definitely be doing a bottle bottom pour at some stage. You probably with a reverse dip because I'm just so addicted to doing that now. So, once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.